Welcome back to German with Andy, the German for Beginners course. This is der Urlaub. Der Urlaub. A lovely word that stands for holiday or vacation. Der Urlaub. Alright, let's put that in a couple of example sentences. Ich brauche Urlaub. Ich brauche Urlaub. I need a vacation. Now you also know the verb brauche, which means need. Next one. Ich mache Urlaub in der Schweiz. Ich mache Urlaub in der Schweiz. Very interesting because it means I am on vacation in Switzerland, or I am doing a vacation in Switzerland. Here we have mache, which is do or make, and we have Schweiz, which is Switzerland, another country you've learned. All right, and another one. Now let's try to change the personal noun to wir. Wir fliegen nach Thailand in den Urlaub. Wir fliegen nach Thailand in den Urlaub. We are flying to Thailand for vacation. Very good. Now let's go back to the next one. Wie war dein Urlaub? Just like in wie geht es dir? How are you? This one is wie war dein Urlaub? How was your vacation? And a great answer would be mein Urlaub war großartig. Mein Urlaub war großartig. My vacation was great. You're doing a great job. This is a lot to take in for this lesson. Now let's go to how to actually use it. If you go fly or drive to, or like you go on a vacation, you would simply say, ich gehe in den Urlaub. Ich fliege in den Urlaub. Ich fahre in den Urlaub. Now, most people always say, ich gehe in den Urlaub, or ich fahre in den Urlaub, even though they might fly. So this is just a standard thing we do. Another thing is the question wann. Wann stands for when. So, wann fährst du in den Urlaub? Wann fährst du in den Urlaub? Ich fliege bald in den Urlaub. Ich fliege bald in den Urlaub. Bald as in bis bald, see you soon. Bis bald, see you soon. Bald, soon. Okay? And here's another one. Wohin, where to? Wohin fährst du in den Urlaub? Wohin fährst du in den Urlaub? And the answer? Wir fahren nach Deutschland. That would be a good vacation, trust me. Wir fahren nach Deutschland. Very good. Here a little tip. Wo means where. Woher, where from. And wohin, where to. So we have wo, woher, wohin. Wow, I think that was the longest lesson so far, and I hope you learned a lot. And if you didn't, just go back to one single word a day. Der Urlaub. The vacation. Alright? I see you next time. Tschüss.